Hey folks, once again it's Cap James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check this one out. Hey, it's a gray day here in Southern California, and what better to celebrate than with a gray guitar? Ever seen gray look so beautiful? Look at that thing. Whoa! Yeah, that's right. And best of all, it's baritone. Well, actually, it's kind of more like a bass 6 type thing. So we've got all wound strings on this thing, and we are low. All right, so I'm going to give you a little sound demo because we've got some really cool things here. We've got, of course, Seymour Duncan pickups, and we've got push-pull pots on them, slider switch, of course, OG style, and we've got a Varitone. So really cool. We get a lot of different neat little sounds there. So I'm going to give you a sample of all that. I thought about doing the loop thing and playing along, but I don't know. I'm probably not, because it's kind of hard to detail all the different tones and sounds you get. So I think I'm just going to riff it up. What do you think? Okay, so that's in bypass mode, both pickups. So, as you noticed, as I went through that Varitone, I got different sounds as if I was switching pickups, but I wasn't. So that's what's really cool. So we're going to now give you different pickup sounds. So I'm leaving that on number 6. Now I'm switching from neck to bridge and back and forth. And I'm tapping the coils. Technically splitting, right? So there you're going to get the different sounds, and that was on the brightest. Then we go in here, we cut the mids out. So just a whole bunch of different sounds, and you know what? Hey with it. Let's go ahead and get us a loop thing going here. What do you think? Yeah, let's do it. Let's get some real ambience here. What do you think? No, not bright enough. Here we go. Ah, now we're talking. Yeah, here we go. Let's get a really, really low tone here going. I'm gonna see if I can light it up with these strings. Hang on. It is a B-6.2 30-inch bass 6 type configuration. We got Gotoh locking tuners. We've got stainless steel frets. We've got a bone nut. We've got all the great things that you learn to know and love about Dude Craft Guitars. And I appreciate you guys checking out this demo, okay? Folks, have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week. And remember, when it comes to goofy guitars, no boring guitars, something different in Guitar Works, please check out Dude Craft Guitars. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.